Mastering AutoCAD for Design Excellence. Welcome. We are thrilled to provide you with a sneak peek into our exciting AutoCAD course. Get ready to unleash your design potential and elevate your skills to new heights. Our AutoCAD course is designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and practical skills to become proficient in this industry-leading software. With hands-on exercises and real-world examples, you will gain the confidence to tackle any design projects with precision and creativity. Let's take a look at some of the key learning objectives you can expect from our course. 1. You master the AutoCAD interface and navigation tools. You create accurate 2D drawings using essential drawing and editing commands. You discover advanced techniques for efficient modeling and visualization. You explore industry best practices and workflows. You develop the skills to create professional drawings for architecture, engineering, and more. Here are some of the exciting features and benefits of our AutoCAD course. So you have engaging video lessons. So you learn at your own pace with our comprehensive video lessons led by experienced instructors. Practical exercises. So you apply your knowledge through hands-on exercises that simulate real-world design scenarios. Personalized guidance. So you receive expert guidance and feedback from our instructors to enhance your learning experience. Supportive community. So you join a vibrant community of learners, share insights, and connect with like-minded professionals. Industry recognized certification. So you receive a certificate upon completion to showcase your AutoCAD skills to employers and clients. Ready to start? When you complete the course, you automatically have a certificate of completion. The next thing you have to do is to submit the copy of the certificate to our team and have a free branded t-shirt. The third thing you get is a 10% voucher for your next learning course that you enroll in of your choice. If you're ready to take the next step, then enroll in our full AutoCAD course and unlock a world of design possibilities. Join our community of passionate learners. When we start, we'd love to hear from you. Feel free to ask any question you may have about the course or any aspect of the AutoCAD during the Q&A sessions. Our team of instructors is here to provide answers and support. Can't wait to have you as part of our AutoCAD course. Get ready to transform your design skills and create remarkable projects. Thank you, and let's get started.